So, Jim, how do we pull the data from the TOBi?
We use different types of mobile devices. You can use Android or Apple, so iPhones or Samsung phones, and connect to the unit via Bluetooth.
So I have the app here on my phone. Could you show us how this works?
Sure. Do we have the TOBi device software? Okay, there we
Right
go.
there.
So charging technologies. Um, right now it's scanning and it shows that we have a charger available to look at. So we could program a charger, or we can look at the battery. And it looks like the battery TOBi device is programmed for the same serial number as this battery. So if we click here, you can see that we've got a 24-volt battery, 510 amp hours, and currently it's at 2.08 volts per cell. So as you know, each one of these cells is individual, but cumulatively, it's now a 24-volt battery. So you can look at different battery information. We can look at the location, amp hour rating, the area. You can custom program different names and forklift names if this was in a forklift and you wanted to keep it in the same forklift. Optional settings, we have history, we have idle time delay, charge delay time, discharge delay time. There's a host of things you can do with this, but one of the key features is you can upload your data, and we're going to upload it, and it's going to download a data package from this device onto the phone. Now, once we receive it on the phone, we can either view the data here and look through our history of data, or I can email this file to myself and review it on Excel on my desktop or laptop.